Fire blanket. Welcome to our presentation on fire blankets, specifically designed for hotel engineers. Today, we will explore the importance and functionality of fire blankets in fire safety. Fire blankets serve as a first line of defense in emergencies, allowing individuals to act quickly to suppress small fires. We will discuss their various applications and how they contribute to overall safety in buildings. The role of fire blankets in fire safety. Fire blankets are essential fire safety tools that play a crucial role in emergency response. They are designed to smother flames and prevent the spread of fire, thereby protecting lives and property. In this section, we will provide an overview of their significance in various fire safety protocols. Understanding their role is vital for hotel engineers tasked with ensuring safety in their establishments. Overview of fire blankets and their functionality. What are fire blankets? Fire blankets are made from fire-resistant materials and are designed to extinguish small fires or protect individuals from flames. We will define their purpose and functionality, emphasizing their critical role during emergencies. By understanding how fire blankets work, we can better utilize them in fire safety practices. The significance of fire blankets in emergency situations. Fire blankets hold significant importance during emergencies, as they can be used to quickly extinguish flames or protect individuals engulfed in fire. Their ability to prevent the spread of flames can save lives and minimize property damage. In this section, we will discuss real-world scenarios where fire blankets have been effective. Understanding their significance enhances our preparedness in emergency situations. Categories of fire blankets, an overview. There are various categories of fire blankets, each made from different materials that serve specific purposes. This slide provides an overview of common materials used in fire blankets, such as fiberglass, wool, Kevlar, silicone-coated, and combination blankets. We will explore the characteristics of each material and their suitability for different fire scenarios. Understanding these categories helps us select the right blanket for the right situation. Fiberglass fire blankets, features and uses. Fiberglass fire blankets are lightweight and flexible, making them ideal for industrial settings like factories and laboratories. They are designed to withstand high temperatures and can effectively extinguish small fires. In this section, we will discuss the features that make fiberglass blankets suitable for rapid deployment in emergencies. Their versatility makes them a valuable asset in any fire safety arsenal. Wool fire blankets, advantages and typical applications. Wool fire blankets are known for their effectiveness in smothering small fires, particularly in residential areas. They offer excellent thermal insulation and are often used in kitchens and living spaces. We will discuss the advantages of using wool blankets and their common applications in home safety. Understanding their benefits can help individuals make informed choices about fire safety tools. Kevlar fire blankets, durability and strength for high-risk areas. Kevlar fire blankets are engineered for high-risk environments due to their exceptional strength and durability. They are particularly effective in industrial applications where fires may involve hazardous materials. In this section, we will highlight the unique features of Kevlar blankets and their importance in maintaining safety standards. Their robustness makes them an essential component of fire safety protocols in high-risk settings. Silicone-coated fire blankets, resilience to extreme temperatures. Silicone-coated fire blankets provide resilience to extreme temperatures and are commonly used in settings where chemical or oil fires may occur. Their design enhances safety in environments with flammable substances. We will discuss the benefits of silicone coatings and their specific applications in various industries. Understanding these features helps ensure that the right blanket is used in critical situations. Combination fire blankets, comprehensive protection solutions. Combination fire blankets offer enhanced protection solutions, making them suitable for diverse applications, including firefighting, aviation, and military operations. These blankets are designed to meet the specific needs of different scenarios by combining various materials. In this section, we will explore the advantages of using combination blankets and the situations where they excel. Their versatility makes them an invaluable resource in various fields. Operational Guide: How to deploy fire blankets. In this section, we will provide an operational guide outlining the step-by-step procedure for effectively deploying a fire blanket during an emergency. Understanding the correct deployment technique is crucial for maximizing effectiveness. We will cover key points such as assessing the fire, positioning the blanket, and ensuring safety for the user. Proper training in deployment can make a significant difference in emergency outcomes. Identifying scenarios for fire blanket use. Fire blankets are best suited for small, contained fires and situations involving individuals who catch fire. We will identify appropriate scenarios for their use, emphasizing the types of fires that can be effectively controlled with a blanket. Understanding these scenarios will help personnel respond more effectively in emergencies. Knowing when to use a fire blanket can save lives and prevent further fire damage. Effectively managing small fires with fire blankets. Examples of manageable fires include those caused by cooking, electrical appliances, or candles. We will discuss how fire blankets can effectively manage these types of incidents, providing real-life examples and outcomes. Understanding the application of fire blankets in these scenarios is crucial for effective fire management. This knowledge empowers individuals to act quickly and safely during emergencies. Application of fire blankets on individuals in distress. When individuals catch fire, wrapping them in a fire blanket can help extinguish flames safely. We will discuss the proper technique for using the blanket, emphasizing the importance of covering the person completely. Understanding this application is vital for ensuring the safety of individuals in distress. Quick and appropriate action can prevent serious injuries and save lives. Fire blankets for chemical and flammable liquid incidents. Certain fire blankets are specifically designed to handle chemical and flammable liquid fires effectively. We will discuss the specialized materials used in these blankets and their effectiveness in managing specific fire types. Understanding these blankets' capabilities enhances safety in environments with hazardous materials. Proper use of the right blanket can mitigate risks associated with chemical fires. Benefits of using fire blankets in fire safety protocols. Fire blankets are user-friendly and can be deployed quickly, making them essential for fire safety protocols. They require minimal training, allowing individuals to act promptly in emergencies. In this section, we will explore the benefits of incorporating fire blankets into fire safety plans. Their ease of use can significantly impact the effectiveness of fire response efforts. Understanding the limitations of fire blankets. It is important to understand the limitations of fire blankets. They are not effective for large fires and should only be used for small, contained incidents. We will discuss the scenarios where fire blankets are not suitable, emphasizing the importance of assessing the fire's size and spread. Recognizing these limitations ensures that individuals do not place themselves in dangerous situations. Best practices for fire blanket maintenance. Proper storage and regular inspections are crucial for maintaining fire blankets. They should be kept in a cool, dry place and checked for any signs of damage regularly. In this section, we will discuss best practices for maintaining fire blankets to ensure their functionality when needed. Regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of the blankets and ensure readiness for emergencies. Conducting regular inspections, ensuring functionality. Regular inspections involve checking for tears, stains, and following guidelines for cleaning. This maintenance ensures that fire blankets remain functional when needed. We will outline a routine inspection process to identify potential issues before they become critical. Ensuring the reliability of fire blankets is essential for effective fire safety management. Employee training on fire blanket usage and care. Training personnel on the proper usage and maintenance techniques for fire blankets is essential for overall safety. This education enhances awareness and preparedness in emergency situations. In this section, we will discuss the importance of training programs and drills for effective fire response. Well-trained staff can make a significant difference in minimizing the impact of fire incidents. Essential safety protocols for using fire blankets. Assessing the situation and wearing protective gear are critical safety protocols before using a fire blanket. Evaluating the fire's size and spread is vital to ensure the safety of the user. We will discuss the importance of these protocols in preventing injuries during fire incidents. Adherence to safety protocols enhances the effectiveness of fire response efforts. Applications of fire blankets across various industries. Fire blankets have versatile applications across various sectors, including residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Their adaptability makes them valuable safety tools in different environments. We will explore how different industries utilize fire blankets to enhance safety. Recognizing their applications helps promote broader awareness and usage of fire blankets. Regulatory compliance for fire safety equipment. Familiarizing yourself with OSHA, NFPA, and other standards governing fire safety is essential for ensuring compliance with regulations regarding fire blankets. We will discuss the importance of adhering to these regulations to maintain safety standards. Understanding compliance helps organizations avoid penalties and ensures a safe environment. Awareness of regulations is crucial for effective fire safety management. Cost effectiveness and value of fire blankets. Fire blankets are generally low cost compared to other firefighting equipment, making them an affordable solution for enhancing fire safety. In this section, we will discuss the cost effectiveness of fire blankets as part of fire safety programs. Their affordability allows more organizations to implement effective fire safety measures. Investing in fire blankets can lead to significant savings in emergency response costs. Rapid response, reducing damage and injury. Rapidly extinguishing fires with fire blankets reduces the risk of wider damage and injuries. Quick response is crucial for effective fire management. We will discuss how timely action with fire blankets can prevent small incidents from escalating. Understanding the importance of quick response can save lives and protect property. Industry standards for fire safety equipment. Many sectors require fire blankets as part of their safety protocols. Understanding these industry standards supports effective fire safety management. In this section, we will explore key standards that influence the use of fire blankets in various environments. Complying with industry standards enhances overall safety and preparedness. Conclusion: key takeaways on fire blankets. In conclusion, fire blankets are versatile, easy to use, and essential for fire safety. They play a crucial role in managing small fires effectively and can save lives in emergencies. We will summarize the key points discussed in the presentation, reinforcing the importance of fire blankets in fire safety. Understanding their benefits and applications enhances preparedness for fire incidents. Best practices for effective fire blanket management. Encouraging regular training and inspections is vital for maximizing the effectiveness of fire blankets. Best practices ensure that safety measures are upheld and that personnel are prepared for emergencies. We will discuss strategies for implementing effective fire blanket management protocols. Continuous improvement in fire safety practices can significantly enhance overall safety. Thank you. Thank you for participating in our presentation on fire blankets. Our next class will focus on fire water supply, where we will explore additional critical concepts in fire safety. We appreciate your attention and engagement throughout this session. We look forward to seeing you in future discussions on enhancing fire safety in your facilities.